This circuit design, based on a passive infrared sensor, is used to detect motion signals and process the data. The entire circuit consists of four main components. 1. Signal synthesizer. The amplified signals are synthesized here to form a more stable output signal. This step primarily improves signal reliability and resolution. 2. Preamplifier. This is the first step in signal processing, amplifying the weak signals from the two infrared sensors. The signals from each sensor are amplified by high-impedance amplifiers, a 1 and a 2. Precision resistors and capacitors are used for signal filtering to reduce noise interference. 3. Data conversion. After the synthesized signals are converted to digital signals by two ADCs, they are read by a microcontroller. The ADC reference voltage is set to half of VCC to ensure that the signal remains within the appropriate voltage range during conversion. 4. Window comparator. This component is used for signal termination. The two comparators have upper and lower voltage thresholds set respectively. When the signal voltage is within the set window range, the comparator outputs a valid signal, which drives the microcontroller for further processing. This circuit design cleverly combines analog signal processing with a digital interface, allowing direct connection to a microcontroller's I/O port. It provides an efficient solution for motion detection and signal analysis, and can be used in applications such as smart homes and security systems.